If your Bluehost website is acting up, showing errors, or just not loading the way it should, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to troubleshoot the most common Bluehost errors step by step so you can get your site back online fast. We'll cover cache issues, DNS problems, plugin conflicts, PHP version errors, and how to check your logs for the real cause of the problem. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's start with the easiest fix first, clearing the Bluehost cache. Sometimes your website is actually working, but an old cached version is causing the problem. To do this, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside, go to Websites, then click Manage Site. From there, open the Performance section. You should see an option labeled Clear Cache. Click that to remove the stored files, then refresh your website and see if the issue is gone. This simple step can fix slow loading, outdated pages, and display problems surprisingly often. If clearing the cache didn't fix it, the next thing to check is your domain and DNS settings. If you're seeing a DNS error or a site not found message, that usually means your domain is not pointing to Bluehost correctly. First, confirm that your domain is connected to the right hosting account. If you are using Bluehost nameservers, they should be ns1.bluehost.com and ns2.bluehost.com. Make sure those nameservers are entered correctly wherever your domain is registered. DNS changes can take some time to fully update, so if you just made changes, you may need to wait before the site starts working normally again. Now let's move on to plugin-related errors. If your website started breaking right after installing or updating a plugin, that plugin may be the cause. To test this, open your WordPress dashboard, then go to plugin you recently updated or installed, and deactivate it. After that, go back and check your website again. If the site starts working, you've likely found the issue. At that point, you can either leave the plugin disabled, replace it with another option, or reinstall a stable version if needed. This is one of the most common reasons WordPress sites on Bluehost run into trouble. Another common issue is a PHP version problem. If you're seeing a critical error or a blank white screen, your site may be using an outdated or unsupported PHP version. To check this in Bluehost, go back to Websites, then open Manage Site. Look for the PHP settings area and review the version that is currently selected. If it's outdated, switch to a supported PHP version and save your changes. Then test your website again. Updating PHP can solve many strange website errors, but it's always a good idea to make sure your themes and plugins are compatible before making major changes. If you're still having issues, the best place to look next is your error logs. Error logs can show you exactly what is breaking behind the scenes. In Bluehost, open the overview page for your website, then click Logs. Here, you'll want to look for recent PHP errors, 404 errors, or permission errors. These messages can give you the clue you need to figure out what's going wrong. Sometimes the issue is a file path, sometimes it's a broken plugin, and sometimes it's a permissions problem. The log helps narrow it down so you're not guessing. The key to troubleshooting Bluehost errors is to go step by step and test one fix at a time. Start with cache, then DNS, then plugins, then PHP, and finally the logs. That way you can isolate the problem without making things worse. And remember, if you change something and the site starts working, you found the source of the issue. If this video helped you solve your Bluehost problem, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.